There's one thing that tattoo artists need to stand out from the crowd and to also win new customers. And that's not building a massive Instagram account where your only sole purpose is to gain followers. Most tattoo artists aren't told this one thing. In fact, they're told to do the exact opposite. And this thing keeps them living paycheck to paycheck. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to specialize in just one thing. Focus on one tattoo style to be able to boost your income, instead of spending years and years trying to do every single style like most tattoo artists are told to do. This is the second video in the series for marketing for tattooing. We're doing this so it's able to help you guys be able to grow your tattooing and earn more money in the tattoo industry. So if you want to see more videos like this, all you have to do is like this video and watch till the very end. It'll help support us by the video's watch time, so we can keep making content like this for you guys. So there's an audience for every style of tattooing. First off, when you specialize in one style, you can improve way faster and be able to reach a professional standing in that one style way faster than trying to figure out everything. When I first started out, I tried to learn realism, traditional, neo-traditional, new school, pretty much everything under the sun, because I was told I needed to do everything to be able to make money as a tattoo artist. But this meant I spread myself too thin from the very beginning of my tattoo career, trying to figure out everything on my own and be able to specialize in everything. If I would have focused all of my energy into one specific style, I would have grown way faster and been able to build up a clientele group that wanted that specific style. I would have gone from an amateur to a professional way faster. Next, once you've created high quality work in one specific style, you can immediately start charging more for your work. If you do the same style as everyone else in your area, there's nothing stopping your client from going to a different tattoo shop. And then they're just going to choose the tattoo artist that charges the least amount. But if you're better in one style, unlike everyone else in your area, those clients will specifically come to you. Which leads us to the third reason I highly recommend everyone that's watching this video specializes in one style. And this protects you from competition. If you specialize in one style and put your own spin on it, customers will only have one option to get a tattoo that looks like that. Because you are the only person that could do that style. Your client list and your income will be protected, even if another artist with more years of experience open up a shop right beside you, because they won't be able to do what you do. Okay, let's say you've improved your art fast. You've improved your money and you're in a good standing as a professional tattoo artist because you did specialize. There's a few more reasons why this could be helpful for you. This means when people see the tattoos that you do, they immediately know that you are the one that did the tattoo without even having to ask. Or if they've never seen your work before, they'll be able to see that it's something that they've never seen as a tattoo before. These are things that help you build a strong brand that'll keep customers and new customers coming to you, because people like to see things that are different. You see this all the time with celebrity tattoo artists. Their name being attached to the tattoo makes it more valuable because they've done a really good job branding themselves. Having a good brand leaves us to number 5. To specialize in a style and attract better clients. When people know and respect your brand, you're only going to attract clients that value your artwork. You won't have to deal with people that don't want to pay a deposit or pay the full price for your tattoos. You'll in turn have plenty of clients that want to pay the deposit and be super happy to work with you. Number 6 will be more effective marketing. If you're doing any type of marketing, it'd be super hard to reach the people that you want to. But if you specialize in finding the people that actually want the artwork that you're doing, the effort you spend on marketing is going to have a way better success rate. Last but not least, number 7 is going to be enjoying your career. I've been in walk-in shops pretty much throughout my whole career. And I've had plenty of Pinterest tattoos come through the door that I just had to do to be able to pay my bills. Now, these things are not always things that interest me as an artist. But now, in my studio, I only specialize in things that I can make custom for my client. Things about adding flow and everything I need for my tattoos to look great on my individual clients. The difference between those two situations are massive. In one, I felt creatively drained all the time, was bored at work, and just never really had the passion to want to do the tattoos. In the other, I have complete creative freedom, which makes me way more happy to do the tattoo. And enjoying your work is going to greatly increase your quality of life and make you love what you're doing every single day. And this is why most of us want to become professional tattoo artists to begin with. If you found this video useful and would like an exact blueprint that I've used to make 6 figures a year tattooing, hit the link below this video. We've put together a training that shows you how specializing in a unique tattoo style can help get you more clients and boost your income as a tattoo artist. This is your opportunity to learn proven methods to grow your business and live the life that you want to. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up.